I think you're really going to like our last day of reading about a bison because you're going to get to hear your teacher use a word that you don't usually hear teachers say. But first, let's read some fun facts. Did you know bison are the largest land animals in North America? Bison can jump 6 feet high. That's almost as tall as Mr. Heron. That means a bison could jump over a grown person. A bison's shoulder hump is full of strong muscles. It helps the bison plow its large head through snow. The hair hanging from a bison's chin is called a beard. Bison grow thick fur in winter to stay warm. In the spring, the thick fur falls off in chunks. President Obama signed the National Bison Legacy Act, a law that made the bison the national mammal of the United States. Do you remember what our national bird is? Some bison also live in Europe. They are called wisent. This is pronounced wisent. Many people in North America, we already talked about that on Monday, about how buffalo, people say buffalo, but they're not really buffalo, they're bison. Fun zone. Bison frisbee. Bison eat a lot of grass and they poop a lot too. Their poop is very important to the prairie grasslands because it breaks down into healthy soil and this makes more grass grow. In the 1800s, people traveling across the prairies didn't have wood to burn. So they made campfires by burning dried bison poop. Kids also used the dried poop as frisbees. You can make a paper plate frisbee that looks like bison poop, but doesn't smell stinky. You would need 2 paper plates, paper towels or toilet paper, a stapler, brown and green craft paint, and a handful of grass, which is optional. Place one plate on top of the other so they are face to face. Staple around the edges, leaving a little bit open. Stuff the paper towels or the toilet paper in the opening. Be sure you have permission, especially before you take any toilet paper, until the space between the plates is full. Staple the opening closed. Paint both sides of the frisbee with brown and green paint, again, only with permission. Before the paint dries, you could push some grass onto it, and then it would dry on there and it would look very realistic.